Hey DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel, Kitchen Faucet. Today, we're checking out the Moen 5923SRS line faucet, sleek, powerful, and worth the investment. Stay tuned for our final verdict. The Moen 5923SRS line is part of Moen's premium Align collection. With its sleek, modern design, it's clear that this faucet is built to stand out. But does it live up to its looks in terms of functionality and durability? Let's take a closer look. Design and build quality. The Moen Align features a minimalist, single-handle, pull-down faucet that instantly gives your kitchen a modern and sophisticated look. Available in a spot-resist stainless finish, this faucet resists fingerprints and water spots, keeping it looking clean even with heavy use. The spout is tall and gracefully arched, which makes it not only a statement piece but also practical for filling large pots and cleaning bigger dishes. And the handle is ergonomically designed, so adjusting the water flow and temperature is super easy. Retractable, equipped with the reflex system for smooth operation, easy movement, and secure docking of the kitchen sink sprayer. Power Clean spray technology provides 50% more spray power versus most other faucets without the Power Clean technology. Flexible design, designed to be installed through 1 or 3 holes. Optional deck plate included. Built to last, backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. Installation and maintenance. Installation of the Moen Align is straightforward, especially if you've installed faucets before. It uses a simple, one-hole mounting system that fits most standard kitchen sinks. Moen provides all the necessary hardware, and the instructions are pretty easy to follow, even for first-time deers. As for maintenance, thanks to the spot-resist stainless finish, keeping the faucet looking good as new is performance. Let's talk about performance. The Moen 5923SRS Align delivers consistent, strong water flow even with the Power Clean mode. The spray is powerful without being harsh, and the water temperature adjusts quickly, with minimal fluctuations. The reflex system, combined with the Power Clean technology, makes this faucet incredibly efficient in terms of both water pressure and energy use, which is a huge plus for those looking to conserve water while still getting a deep clean. Durability and warranty. Now, let's talk about longevity. Moen is known for its high-quality products, and the 5923SRS Align is no exception. This faucet is made with high-grade materials and features a lifetime limited warranty, so if anything goes wrong, Moen will cover it. That's a pretty solid promise. Pros and cons. Pros: sleek, modern design that suits most kitchen styles. Power Clean technology offers great water flow and cleaning power. Reflex system ensures smooth retraction of the spray head, easy to install and maintain. Lifetime limited warranty for peace of mind. Cons: the price is on the higher end, so it's more of an investment. The faucet is quite large, so it might not be ideal for smaller sinks or kitchens. So, is the Moen 5923SRS Align worth it? If you're looking for a high-performance, stylish faucet with great water flow, the answer is yes. While it's a bit pricier, its sleek design, powerful features, and the lifetime warranty make it a solid choice for those upgrading their kitchen. Plus, with its easy-to-maintain finish, you'll enjoy it looking pristine for years to come. That wraps up our review of the Moen 5923SRS Align faucet. Let us know in the comments if you've used this faucet before or if you have any other kitchen faucet recommendations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.